Hello everybody, here we have a wonderful typewriter, an Erika Model 1 around 1911. It's in its original case. We will open it, but first of all please take a look at the key. It's quite a piece of art in a few centimeters. Here there is the typewriter. It seems strange, isn't it? It's because it's foldable. You have to open like this. Now it looks much more familiar. We can remove the cover. These levers are for support of the folded carriage. And these are the support for the sheets of paper. This typewriter is from Seidel and Naumann, a German company founded in 1868 in Dresden. You see the name here and their logo. S&N here. They produced sewing machine, bicycle, boxes, and also typewriter, of course. This is the easily transportable typewriter Erika Model 1, produced for the first time in 1910. The name Erika derived from Naumann's only granddaughter, Hermine Marie Erika Naumann. So Naumann wanted to give the name of his granddaughter to a typewriter. You wouldn't say a German industrialist of 100 years ago can be so passionate, but it's true. You can also see it in the history of his company. Bruno Naumann created many social institutions for his employees. There was a factory health insurance for workers and their families, insurances for long period of illness and disability funds. In the factory there were cloakrooms, toilets, washrooms and dining rooms. Quite advanced for the period. This typewriter has also been sold in England and France with the brand names Bijou and Gloria. Finding the serial number is not easy. You have to take the carriage in starting position and the serial number is there. It's not very clear, but should be 3651. So the typewriter was built around 1911. Let's start to look at the keyboard. It seems to be a French layout with accented letters and A, Z, E, R, T, E. But some buttons like this, it's Italian with tasto di ritorno, backspace. So maybe this typewriter was also for Italian market, since also Italian has accented letters. There are 3 rows of buttons, but as usual, every button can have 3 signs, lowercase, uppercase, and a letter or symbol. So it's a total of 90 characters. So, since every button has 3 symbols, you need 2 shift position, and this is If you don't press anything, you write lowercase letters. If you press majuscules, you write uppercase letters. If you press Fig, you write symbols and numbers. And this lever is a caps lock. The ribbon is black and red. If you want to write in red, you have to move this cursor. Here there is a mechanism for advancing the ribbon. Isn't it nice? Here in the back there are the margins. You set the margins with this cursor. And this lever is the bypass of the margin. In the back there are the mechanism and the carriage tie rod. And this is the mechanism for ringing the bell of the right margin. Isn't it nice? On the left we have some little levers with complicated mechanism. This is the lever to free the carriage from the steps, to adjust the sheets to write on a line, for example. You see? With this other lever, you select the number of interline in 3 positions. And this is a very small interline lever. On the right there is a lever to move the carriage back and forth. And another lever to free the paper sheet in the carriage. And of course the knob of the roller. It's a very nice typewriter. Once you see it, you cannot do otherwise than love it. Some mechanisms are a little difficult to set, but in general, German engineers did a very good job. It has very accurate details. It's also light and portable, and after more than 110 years is still working. Many thanks for watching. Have a nice day.